those hands down. Want to keep those beautiful hands, arms, and feet inside of the boat. Parents, watch your children. Children, please. Watch your parents. Alrighty, folks, my name is Skipper Josiah, and I'll be your skipper today on our magical, our spectacular, on our romantic, ooh la la, jungle cruise. First off, do y'all want to see something scary? Y'all want to see something scary? Ooh, taxes, inflation, student loan, terrifying, terrifying. And up here, the famous archaeological site for Dr. What's his name? Indiana Jones, looking for that long-lost treasure. Almost became an archaeologist myself, but I want my career to the ruins. Look at that. Oh my goodness. There's a tiger. Do you guys know why tigers have those stripes? To avoid being spotted. To avoid being spotted. So that those are my friends from high school, yellow snakes. Wow. My ex as well. Wow. And here we have some concrete evidence that y'all are going to see after you guys see some elephants. Ooh, really are. Folks, I'm just saying you may want to have those cameras that are elephants. They do have their trunks on. Really unheard of. Really unheard of. Do you guys know the difference between an African elephant and an Indian elephant? One you can find in Africa and one you can find in India. Whatever floats your boat. Whatever floats your boat. You guys look way, way back there. You see those really tall things? Yep, those are called trees. You're welcome. Alright, continue up here. Oh, he's going to try to spray us. Folks, take cover. Take cover. Take cover. Take cover. Take cover. Just kidding. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. It's a prank. It's a prank. Wait a second. Wait. Duck, 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 goose. Okay, this is banana country. You want to keep those eyes peeled. Who knows, folks? I made this split. What's that? One of the chimps has a gun in his hand. No need to worry. As long as they don't have these guns. Hey-oh. Alright, let's continue up here. There's some bamboo. Now, folks, they say bamboo grow about 5 stories. I say 6, but that's a whole other story for you. I just thought to let y'all know. Now, listen, I don't find banana jokes all that appealing, but get this. We do got a bunch. One bunch of bananas. Hey-oh, right there. One bunch of bananas already. Alrighty, folks. Ready straight for your waterfall. Oh, no. Oh, no. Turn, 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 turn. We made it. Hey. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Alrighty, folks, and now made it into our Nile River. Listen, I'm not the biggest fan of the Nile, so be long, and it goes on for Niles, and Niles, and Niles. And if you don't believe me, guess what? You're in the Nile. 10 points over there. And up here, this is over the elephant. Title a few tricks, Bobo. Stay, stay. Good boy. Give a round of applause to Bobo the elephant. Yeah. I want a standing ovation. You know why? I've said it for a while. Who knows it may be in? The Nile. Slam poetry, folks. Slam poetry. Up here, look at that. Oh my goodness, there's some tall horsies. Hairy horsies, striped horsies, and oh, look at the sleepy horsey up there. Oh. Yeah, we don't want to wake him though. He must be dead tired. Dead tired. He's resting in peace. Resting in peace. They're not folks. These are actually the oldest animals in our jungle. Yep, they're still in black and white. Still in black and white. Hey, you guys look up there? Yeah, you see more of those tall things? Yeah, those are just more trees. Wow. Alright, up here. Oh my goodness. Skipper, Felix, what are you doing up there? Oh no. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Wait a second! Oh dear! Oh dear! Oh dear! The really good dog, but oh dear! But there's mostly ever want to argue with the rhinoceros. You know why? They always try to get their point across. If you do that, you put yourself in real danger. Imagine us here, and oh no! Real danger already. The hippopotami may want to charge the boat. Luckily, we only take cash. I'm going to try to scare them off and may want to cover those ears 1 second. Pew pew, pew pew, pew pew. Oh, at least that worked. I want to try to scare them off like I scared away my last girlfriend. Hold on. I love you! I just saved your guys' lives. You're welcome. You're welcome. Up here. Oh my goodness, look at that. I wonder what these chimps up here are up to. Now, if you happen to be in the market for a new boat, this one here is half off. 0 APR, chimps included, no credit check. Just thought I'd let y'all know. Now here's the life advice my parents taught me. Listen, you want to be careful around trees. A little shady. Stairs, they always lead up to something. And elevators, well, those can be a little up and down depending on how you push those buttons, okay? Alrighty, folks, and on the moment y'all have been waiting for. People call this the wonder of the world, the marvelous, the spectacular, the immaculate, the, drum roll please, the backside of water. Woo! O2H, O2H, O2H. Allow me to explain. Water, H2O, backside of water, O2H. There's the Enterprise, y'all. Come on, folks. You saw lions and tigers. What's the last one? If you guys saw bears, you're drinking that jungle water. We ain't seen those today. Interesting, interesting. Speaking of interesting, Dwayne Johnson, those rocks are made out of limestone, folks. So please, please don't take it for granted. We're like some hungry piranhas. Let's get out of here. And do you have any birthdays on board? Any birthdays? Any birthdays? Oh, we do? Okay, we have a special Skipper birthday song ready. Clap, 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 clap. This is a birthday song. It is a very long. Hey, 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 hey. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Beautiful, beautiful. And up here, monkeys keep spinning that thing round and round and round. They're trying to set a brand new record. And that's not water coming out of the elephant's nose. It's not. I'll let y'all know it's not. Alrighty, folks, they're gonna sit right here for just a few seconds. And we're gonna see anybody's first time on Jungle Cruise. Anybody's first time. Oh, nice. Very nice, very nice. Welcome, welcome. Per tradition, if it's your first time, make sure to throw you guys into the water. Alright, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Very nice. Alright, perfect, perfect, perfect. Very nice. And anybody here from out of town by chance? Anybody here from out of town? Oh, nice. Where y'all from? Very nice, very nice. Very nice. I'm from Jungle Cruise. Nice to meet you guys. Very nice. Alright, we'll remain right here for just a few seconds. Please keep those beautiful hands, arms, and feet inside of the boat. And remain seated as well for your safety. And go ahead and give yourselves a big, big round of applause. Everybody back. Woo! Give yourselves 3 big cheers of wow. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Beautiful, beautiful. Alrighty, folks. Hey, you guys are all truly, and I mean truly, outstanding, which is why, drum roll please, having every single one of you here, outstanding on our, yep, you guessed it, Underdog, take care. Yay!